Hi there. Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps, website, games are made? Well, the secret behind these all amazing things is coding. In this video, we will find the answer of these questions. What coding is, how to talk with computers, what difference between coding and programming, why should you learn coding, how to get started with coding. Hi, I am Rushi and you're watching Code by Rushi. Let's get started. What is coding? Imagine you are helping your mom to making Maggi noodles. You follow the simple step-by-step process. Boil water, add noodles, stir in the spices and finally cook for 2 minutes. Coding is similar, but instead of cooking, we are giving to step-by-step instruction to a computer. First do this, then do that. If this happens, do this. If that happens, do that. The sets of instruction called code. And the process of writing them is called coding. So, in simple words, coding is telling computer what to do step by step. Now here is a big question. How to talk with computers? We talk with each other English, Hindi, but computer don't understand these languages. Computer only understand zeros and ones, also known as binary language. Think of it like light switch on is 1. Light switch off is 0. But don't worry, we don't need to write these zeros and ones. Instead, we use a special programming languages like Python, C++, Java and JavaScript to communicate with computer. These languages are easy for humans to understand. But here is a twist. Computers cannot directly understand these programming languages. That's why they need a compiler. Compiler is just like a translator that converts our instruction of programming languages into binary. This converted binary code computer understand and give the output. Pretty cool, right? What's the difference between coding and programming? You might be wondering, is coding and programming are the same thing? Well, not exactly. Coding is just a part where you write step-by-step instructions. But programming is the entire process of solving problems. It includes planning, designing, testing and fixing bugs. Think of it like building a house. Coding is like laying down bricks one by one. And the programming is designing the entire house, deciding where is the doors, windows, furniture will be. So the coding is just a part of programming, but programming is much more than just writing code. Alright, so now that you know what is coding, let me ask something. Why should you learn coding? Imagine creating your own mobile apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, or even making website or video games. How cool is that? Learning code can open the door to amazing career opportunities. You could become a software developer, app developer, game designer, or even start your own tech company. The world needs more coders every day. And the best part, you don't need to be genius to start coding. All you need practice, patience and curiosity. With every small project you build, you get better and better. How to get started with coding? If you are wondering where to start, don't worry. Start from a simple language like Python. Python is a super beginner friendly and used in AI, web development and automation. If you are interested to making website, start with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. They are simple to learn and perfect to creating your first website. Remember, coding is all about practice. The more you try, the better you get. Soon, you will be able to create your own apps, games, website from scratch. Alright, I hope you now have a clear idea about what coding is. If you want to know more about coding, or need help to choosing programming languages, leave the comment. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Code by Rushi and I will see you in next video.